Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to write back to a PDB file after superimposing protein atoms using BioPython. Introduction. BioPython is a powerful library for bioinformatics and structural biology. One common task in structural biology is superimposing protein structures, where you align one protein structure onto another. After superimposing the structures, you might want to save the result back to a PDB, Protein Data Bank, file. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to do this using BioPython's bio.pdb module. Prerequisites. Let's get started with an example. In this tutorial, we've demonstrated how to use BioPython to perform a superimposition of two protein structures and save the superimposed structure to a new PDB file. You can adapt this code for your specific use case by replacing reference.pdb and mobile.pdb with your own PDB files and modifying the output file name as needed. Make sure to have BioPython properly installed in your Python environment before running the script. This tutorial is a basic example, and you can extend it with additional functionalities as per your requirements. ChatGPT.